Now I'm going to show you how you can get and install Python on your computer. Before we start, just know that many PCs and Macs will have Python installed already. However, it will most likely be Python 2. In this class, we will use Python 3. You can use a command line to check what version of Python is installed on your computer with python space --version. And if you execute this code, you'll most likely get the version 2.7. If you need to install Python 3 on your computer, you can download it for free from the following website. One of the prerequisites for this course is that you should be able to install any software that is necessary. So I'm going to click on this link, and then here I'm already on downloads, but I can go over it again and then click on Windows or Mac version. So I'm going to click on the Mac. Here I can see all of the Python releases. So as you can see, the latest Python version is Python 3.91. You can install this or one of the versions of 3.8. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to scroll down to the files. So here, if you are a Mac user, you can install Mac OS 64-bit Intel installer, and if you're using Windows, you can use Windows installer for 64-bit from this link. So go ahead and click on this link and then follow the steps to install Python on your computer. After you install Python 3, you should also install the Sublime text editor from this link. So Sublime is a simple yet very powerful text editor, and we can use this to write our Python programs.